Today we will learn a new sound. It's V sound. In this video, we will learn formation and action. For V sound, we will listen to a song, we will learn some words, and we will do some activities together. So let's start. Let's do the action together. Pretend to be driving along in a van saying V. Let's write V sound together. Put your finger up and say down and up. And now, listen to the song and do the action.
Drive Vix van round the village. Drive Vix van round the village. Drive Vix van round the village. Ooh.
We have lots of words start with V sound. We have vet, vet, vest, vest, van, van, violin, violin, vegetables, vegetables. And now it's activity time, so let's start. Say the sounds and try to read the words.
Van. Vat. Vet. Vein. Vent. Vest. Visit.
Click the pictures that begin with V sound. We have volcano, violin, vegetables, van, and vase. And this is the end of our video. See you later.